Today we're diving deep into the newly released Honor 400 Lite, a device that's been making waves in the affordable smartphone segment. Honor continues to push boundaries in delivering premium features at accessible price points, and the 400 Lite promises to be no exception. This is not a sponsored review, so I'll be sharing my honest experience from its refined design and vibrant display to its capable camera system, smooth performance, and impressive battery life. So stick around and let's see if the Honor 400 Lite lives up to its billing as a budget champion. But before we jump in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our latest tech reviews and updates. Starting with the design, the Honor 400 Lite immediately impresses with its sleek and slim profile. At just 7.3mm thin and weighing only 171 grams, this phone feels remarkably lightweight and comfortable in hand, nearly identical to its flagship sibling in terms of the build quality. The frame features a durable plastic construction, while the back sports a refined matte finish that effectively resists fingerprints and smudges. What's particularly striking is how Honor has managed to maintain that premium, iPhone-like elegance we saw in the regular Honor 400, complete with smooth curves and a minimalist camera module that doesn't protrude excessively. Additionally, it boasts an IP65 rating for water and dust resistance, an impressive feature for its affordable price. The overall design language speaks to sophistication without the premium price tag, and the attention to detail in the ergonomics makes this a pleasure to hold and use daily. The display is where the Honor 400 Lite truly shines for its price point. You're getting a gorgeous 6.7-inch AMOLED panel with a buttery-smooth 120Hz refresh rate that makes every interaction feel fluid and responsive. The standout feature here is the impressive 3500 nits peak brightness, exceptional for a budget device, ensuring excellent visibility even in bright outdoor conditions. The 1080 by 2412 pixel resolution delivers sharp, vibrant visuals with rich colors and deep blacks that AMOLED is known for. Whether you're streaming content, gaming, or just scrolling through social media, the nearly bezel-less design maximizes your screen real estate and creates an immersive viewing experience that punches well above its weight class. For a device in this price range, the display quality is genuinely impressive. Under the hood, the Honor 400 Lite runs on the MediaTek Dimensity 7025 Ultra chipset, a capable 6nm processor that delivers solid mid-range performance for everyday tasks. Honor offers this with 8GB of RAM paired with 256GB of storage, giving you plenty of room for apps, photos, and media without worrying about running out of space. Running MagicOS 9 based on Android 15 right out of the box, the software experience feels smooth and optimized. For typical usage like social media browsing, messaging, light gaming, and media consumption, the 400 Lite handles everything without breaking a sweat. Apps launch quickly, multitasking feels seamless, and the overall user experience remains consistently responsive. While it may not be a gaming powerhouse, it offers more than enough performance for the average user's daily needs. The camera setup on the Honor 400 Lite focuses on delivering quality over quantity. The dual camera system features a capable 108-megapixel main sensor with an f1.75 aperture that captures detailed, vibrant photos in good lighting conditions. The secondary 5-megapixel ultra-wide lens adds versatility for capturing broader scenes, though it's more of a supporting player. What's particularly noteworthy are the AI-powered features that Honor has included. The dedicated camera button with one press to launch the camera and press again to take photo and slide to zoom in. For selfies, you get a 16-megapixel front-facing camera that delivers sharp social media-ready photos. For videography, the device offers respectable video recording capabilities with both rear and front-facing cameras supporting Full HD 1080p, recording at 30 frames per second. Video quality is solid across both cameras, delivering clear footage with good color reproduction and detail. However, the absence of optical image stabilization is a notable limitation, resulting in noticeably shaky footage when recording handheld or while moving. users will need to rely on steady hands or external stabilization methods to achieve smooth, professional-looking videos, which may be a concern for those who frequently record on-the-go content or vlogs. While it may not match the flagship-grade camera system of its more expensive sibling, the Honor 400 Lite's cameras perform admirably for its price point, delivering solid results for casual photography and social sharing. Battery performance is definitely a highlight of the Honor 400 Lite. The substantial 5,230 mAh battery easily powers through a full day of typical usage, and even heavy users should find it reliable enough to last from morning to night without anxiety about finding a charger. When it comes time to recharge, the included 35-watt supercharged technology is impressively fast for this price segment. You can expect to reach around 52% charge in just 30 minutes, with the full charge taking approximately 72 minutes. While it's not quite as lightning fast as some premium devices, it's more than adequate for the target audience and ensures you're not tethered to an outlet for extended periods. Now, here's my final verdict on the Honor 400 Lite. This device represents exceptional value in the competitive mid-range market. It successfully combines a premium-feeling design with a vibrant AMOLED display, capable camera performance, and reliable all-day battery life, all wrapped up in a package that won't break the bank. When it comes to pricing, this device is available for just 899 dirhams in Dubai, making it an excellent value for the features it offers. For budget-conscious buyers who want a smartphone that looks and feels premium while delivering solid everyday performance, the Honor 400 Lite stands out as one of the most compelling options available. It's proof that you don't need to spend flagship money to get a genuinely good smartphone experience. If you're impressed by what the Honor 400 Lite brings to the table, you'll find purchase information in the description below. That wraps up today's review of the Honor 400 Lite. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if this review was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting tech reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out!